Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sandesh Meshram, original convener ke Western Regional Core Group for Tibetan Cause, rastang ke 6 Janjagran Saikil Yatra, banyalap ke Jingpinyo Jinglaitluid, ke Tibet, daga Ñiah ke Saikil, na Arunachal Pradesh, hau no pra araja arposan, but one pinkut ke Jinyat Linti, Shanong ba Shillong. Hakijiyakran Mikilar Patai Kubor, Shillong Press Club, Hak Arpodre Klalingkot Arajar Apunriu, Sandesh Meshram, Ulong Bagan Jingwan Poi Jong U, Shanong ba Shillong, Kelong Banyalap, Ñiah Jong ke Tibet, Nagajing Sen Shadon Bor, Jong China, Baban Amin Sim, Yakijat Bendu Tibetan, Kibabuhai Shinong Hakijala Meghalaya.
Mr. Sandesh Meshram ji, who is the co-convener of Tibet Support Group. Paddling for Freedom, Speaking for Tibet, 6 Janjagran Saikil Yatra started from Tawang, December 9, 2025, and it ends at Shillong, February 9, 2026. And we are still carrying the movement forward. In last 5 Janjagran Saikil Yatra, I have paddled 18,000 kilometers approximately, covering around 10 states, namely Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, West Bengal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Kerala in years 2014, 2016, 2017, 2020 and 2021. Fourth Yatra was completed in 2 phases due to worsening health after paddling for 7,500 km from Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh to Mungud, Karnataka in 2022 and 2023. My paddling has been a humble gesture, raising awareness among the general Indian public about the dire situation prevailing in India's neighbor Tibet. My voice, rooted in sustenance of the historical bond between the Tibetan cause and Tibetan supporters, speaks for the revival of freedom in Tibet, the revival of India's long-spirited peaceful border. This is the press release issued by Mr. Sandesh Meshram. Mr. Sandeep just expressed that he chose to select Shillong because there's a considerable Tibetan living in Shillong, so he just end his cycle yatra here at Shillong. He has completed till today 6 yatra, Janjagran cycle yatra.
7 start was October, some October.
I think he is assuming that maybe he will soon start 7 cycle yatra coming this year, September or October, right? Okay. Yes.